Hi, my name is Malia Powell, and for this discussion, I decided to do number 1, which was a review of Lewis structures, resonance, bonding, hybridization, and formal change. So a lot of this is going to be kind of just review talk, like most of this you should have learned during chemistry 1 or 2. So I'll just start by going down the list. So what are Lewis dot structures? Lewis dot structures are diagrams that we use to help show the bonding between the atoms of a molecule along with the lone pairs of electrons that may exist within the molecule. So these are really helpful, especially for the visual learners, to help see which bonds go where and how many electrons go with each one. Next, we're going to talk about resonance. So this is a weird phenomenon that occurs when an object is exposed to an external force or vibration that matches its natural frequency. So usually when this happens, the object will absorb the energy from the external force and start vibrating with a larger amplitude. So a good example to talk about this would be pushing someone in a swing. So when they come out and you push them and they go back and they absorb that energy from that push. Next is the talk about bonding. Basically, when you have two bonds and they are further apart, the weaker that bond strength is. Alternatively, the shorter that bond is, the harder it is to break apart the bonds. Next is the formal charge. So the formal charge is the hypothetical charge assigned to an atom in the molecule. So when you're calculating the charge on an atom or in a molecule by subtracting the number of non-bonding electrons and half the number of bonding electrons from the atom's valence electron. This one's kind of hard and I had a hard time learning it, but you'll get it. And then lastly is the topic of hybridization. So this is the concept of mixing atomic orbitals to form the new hybrid orbitals that are suitable for the pairing of electrons to form chemical bonds in the valence bond theory. And for this example, the carbon atom in methane is the one that goes under the sp3 hybridization. Anyways, hope this was helpful. Bye.